Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Chris, and so I'm traveling with my 6 months old. Today I'll be showing you 6 months travel essentials that you can pack while you're traveling. Very essential. So you have to go with your diaper. Then I have a pack of wipes. Note I'm going only for a week, so you have a pack of wipes. Backpack is essential. You need it to put all the things you'll be able to reach in time. You need cover clothes. So I have this light one for breastfeeding, and I have this one to cover him when he's sleeping or if it is cold. For his sleeping wear, I have 2 pair of PJs, so we'll be using this. His sleep suits, I have 5 pieces plus the PJs, that is 7. So you have to consider the fact that they might pull on their body and you need to change them. So I have 5 of these and 2 PJs. So because where I'm going to is a little bit cold, I have things to keep him warm. So I have a hoodie or a sweater, and I have this 2-piece 4 set that he can wear just in case it's very cold. Just in case we need to go out, I have 3 pairs of trousers here, 2 jeans and just a regular jogger. So I have 2 shirts to match the jean and the top to the jogger. So that's that. 2 inner wears, something that he can just wear inside just in case it is very cold. And I also took 2 tops just in case it is warm, so he doesn't feel too hot. So let me just show you what it looks like. So this is it. I have 2 bibs here. This is to feed him, and this just in case we need to go out, he needs something decent. So I have 2 pairs of socks. They are shoe socks actually, so if we are going out I can just wear it for him. 2 flannels. This is something that you can use to clean him up. Yeah, a towel. So when I'm giving him a bath, I'm definitely going to be using this. A pair of shoes, just in case we are also going out. For his food, I have his sip cup. Somewhere I have his sip cup, I have his eating plates, I have water, I have his milk, I have Cerelac, and then I have like some fruits he can always eat, snacks, and I have yogurt. So you want to take those things that he like, and these are the things that my baby likes. For his toiletries, I have his soap, his hair cream, and his lotion. I have his body soap, his sponge, his comb, and then I took paracetamol just in case. Then of course he has his toys, something he can play with. Then I have his pacifier to soothe him just in case I need to make meal for him and he's impatient. That's for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then.